Hi, Matt. So my process was first, I brainstormed about what I wanted to do. Second, once I decided what I want to do, I chose making a video because I thought like it's something I like to do and it's a lot of fun. Third, I wrote down my script from my video, and fourth, I some like those like little short films that I put in my video. Six, I edit my video and put everything together. And seven, um, yeah, seven, I uploaded it. I'm like trying to think if I missed anything. Mm, Not that I know. And move on to my reflection. So I'm gonna go through the questions like how I did last time. What do you expect going into this process? I honestly expected this project to be a little bit easier than the last project, but it turned out to be a lot more work and harder and a lot more thoughts to put into, because like the last one I did about Yadom was like it was just I was talking about only one thing, but this video I'm talking about three different types. Like first one is like advice for international student, second one is advice for American student, and the third one is advice for professor. So it was quite a lot more work. How was this process different from other projects you have done? How was it similar? Um, I guess I just said that it's different because this one's harder. The similarity is that I still like use the same program and it's still like the same. It's still like a video, but I think I made this one slightly different and more personal about me, about myself than the last one. Because last one I was talking about a product, but this one I'm pretty much using example of experiences in my life and to be featured on the video and trying to like make it useful for other people. What was the biggest challenge for you? Why? What strategies did you use to overcome it? The biggest challenge the biggest challenge is that it's a lot of things to say in this video, but I have to make it like not too long. So I cut out a lot of things. I actually like film a lot of it and I cut out a lot of things. But so that was the biggest challenge. And also I guess like when I have to talk so much in a video and like I feel like I said a lot of wrong things. Like wrong grammar, wrong structure. But I just like I don't really know how should I say it correctly, but like I know that I made some mistakes. But I hopefully like people like if people watch it they wouldn't like mind since they know I'm like international. So that should be an exception. um what was your biggest failure with this project? Why do you think it was a failure? A failure? Hmm. I don't know. I really can't think about one. But mm, I'm trying to think. Biggest failure? Well, I was hoping it would be a little bit shorter, but it turned out to be like a few minutes longer. Hopefully, if you watch it, you don't get bored. But I try to like keep it entertained and like I put like little pictures on the side to like make it not boring. So hopefully it worked. What was the feedback from your peers? How did that change your final draft? At first, they were like, "Oh, okay." Well, cause like cause they like at first they thought like I would be just talking about international students, and they thought it was like kind of like a little bit too boring of topic since like two of them are not international students, so they can't connect. But then later on, I added like American student and professor, so they said that's like it sounds better and it's pretty cool. What strategies did you try in approaching this project? What choices do you make early on versus toward the end? I was gonna make a lot more short videos and movies, but I try and then it turned out the video so long. So I decided to cut those out a little bit because I want to talk more. I want to give more information to the video because short movie is quite long, even though it's called short movie. Yeah. What will you do differently for a future project and why? Um, for a future project, I don't think I would do a video anymore. I probably want to try something different for the last project. If it's gonna be like individual project, I want to do something different, not video anymore. But I don't know yet what to do. So feel free to draw. Yeah, so that's basically my process and my reflection. Thank you so much.